it's very rewarding. When it came down to time to figure out where I was going to go to school, just having that home away from home feeling, and I think the community here in Ames is great for that. And not only that, but the resources that Iowa State has, not just for students, but athletic training alone, their connection with athletics department. A lot of programs don't have that, so just that was kind of my big factor. In my last year, I got assigned women's basketball. That was something that I had requested, and basically now I'm still going to class, but after class it's like a full-time job with these guys. It's been awesome. The travel, the team, just being part of the program, and the feeling that I get from helping these guys is definitely one that I won't forget.
They are such a big part of the Iowa State women's basketball family. They work so hard and do not get the credit they deserve. But I think they're learning at a high level. Carlie, who's been with us all year, I think the number one thing is she's talented. But the other thing I would say is the respect that she has from the student athletes, the trust she has from the student athletes and the coaches is so special. We've got a lot of great ones, and Carlie fits in that mold.
I just think the impact that they've made on me, not only as an individual, but in my professional career goals, it's something that I won't ever be able to thank them for, and it's an experience that a lot of students don't get. So I'm definitely glad that this is kind of how I get to end my time at Iowa State. I just want to make an impact on them, and I hope I did that.